All right, it's time for choices in your personal finance class. Now, let's first take a look at this to-do list. Make sure that you are removing these items and completing the work over here on the right side. So remember that the icon has a different meaning. Let's talk about the choices. So here on the homepage, you'll have the option for choices, and there are 6 choice activities. Each one's worth 15 points. So if you completed all of these, you would earn 90 points. Let's take a look at each one. They're a little bit different, but also kind of similar. So I'm holding down Control, and I'm just going to open each one in a new tab. So the financial news report, you would click into one of these subscription services or one of your own, just let me know. And you're going to complete a Flipgrid video report. So when you open this in a new window, there'll be a Flipgrid there. You sign in with Google, and then you'll give your report about what you learned about. All right, so then host a chat. Now, this one's a little more involved. If you want to host a discussion forum here in Canvas, or you wanted to attempt to have a live chat, I will co-host with you, and you and I can talk about it and save it as a screencast. We can invite others. We can meet in person. It really just depends on the availability and the topic and that sort of thing. Making sure that you are referencing the rubric. For each one, it's the same rubric. You want to have all your ideas, be well organized, and also, of course, have good mechanics and writing conventions and spelling. Create and teach. This is one where you might have heard that a picture is worth 1,000 words. So what we want you to do is create a 5-image series. So there were 3 to 5 images, and maybe they would be about money saving tips, could be did you know, 5 facts about, that sort of thing. And I'm happy to go over this with you individually until we get some turned in. App reviews, these are some sample apps. There are a lot of financial literacy apps around, and what we want here is for students to let us know which ones you're using, which ones you've looked at, which ones you've heard about, and provide an app review here. And this one is a discussion forum. So you'll click reply, and you can copy and paste this. You can also submit a video or an audio. Just let me know that. Generations in money. So maybe you've heard about these generation groups. What we want to do is use one of these articles or one of your own that talks about how these different groups have been managing money over time and how it's the same or different. So you're in here in this Gen Z group. I would fit in this Generation X group, although I like to call myself a millennial wannabe. So something to think about. And then after Generation Z, I think we are talking about Generation Alpha. A podcast level up opportunity. So here you can listen into an episode from one of these podcasts or one of your own. Or if you use a social media resource, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, something like that, let me know, because if you have a great resource for learning about finances, I want to know about it too. And so does everybody else in the group. So looking forward to all that you can share. Let me know if you run into any access issues or have any questions about your submissions.